To read a six-figure grid reference on a topographical sheet, you will need to follow these steps. 1. Understand the grid system. Topographical sheets use a grid system to divide the map into smaller sections. The grid is formed by horizontal lines called eastings and vertical lines called northings. Each line represents a specific interval, such as 100 meters or 1 kilometer. 2. Locate the grid lines. Look for the grid lines on the topographical sheet. The lines are typically labeled with numbers along the sides of the map. 3. Identify the easting and northing lines. Determine the two grid lines that intersect at the point you want to reference. The easting line runs horizontally, while the northing line runs vertically. 4. Determine the four-figure grid reference. Examine the four-figure grid reference at the bottom left corner of the map. This reference corresponds to the bottom left corner of each grid square. It provides the easting, first 2 digits, and northing, last 2 digits values for that square. 5. Determine the additional 2 digits. To obtain the 6-figure grid reference, you need to estimate the position within the grid square. This estimation is done by mentally dividing each side of the square into 10 equal parts. The additional 2 digits represent the number of tenths of the distance from the bottom left corner to the desired point. 6. Read the 6-figure grid reference. Combine the 4-figure grid reference from the bottom left corner with the additional 2 digits you calculated in the previous step. The first 4 digits remain the same, and the last 2 digits represent the estimated position within the grid square.